We have some really important news in the world of AI, so without wasting your time, or may I say, without having any intro, let's jump on them. Elon Musk and Twitter have instituted viewing limitations. So first he tweeted this, which says that to address extreme levels of data scraping system manipulation, we've applied the following temporary limits. So verified accounts are limited to reading 6,000 posts per day, unverified accounts to 600 posts per day, and new unverified accounts to 300 per day. Also, you need an account just to read tweets now, and you'll have to pay for Twitter Blue verified access to see more than 600 posts per day. Ironically, the announcement became the most viewed tweet in history. Shortly after that, Musk tweeted that the rate limits would soon increase to 8,000 tweets for verified users, 800 for unverified, and 400 for new unverified accounts. Then it changes again to 10K, 1K, and 500. So yeah, the main takeaway is that Musk is blaming companies who are trying to ingest data for artificial intelligence to train the large language models like the ones behind ChatGPT or Microsoft Bing or Google Bard. Now, I personally think this is one of the worst decisions by Elon that could ruin Twitter. Like, many people didn't like the idea at all. And it seems like Elon is doing everything in his power to stop AI companies from stealing his precious data. So what do you think of these rules? Let me know in the comment below. Microsoft has begun rolling out early previews of their AI-powered personal assistant called Copilot for Windows 11 to the insiders in their developer channel. So Copilot is basically your own AI assistant built right into your system. They announced about this feature maybe a month ago, and now they just began rolling out previews of this Copilot AI for people in the developer channel of Windows Insider program. Now, yeah, it will surely change the game in the world of AI, as it will be the first AI for an operating system, which will be accessible for most of the people. So it allows users to issue commands and have the AI automatically modify settings or perform actions in the operating system, like this enabling the dark mode, or asking it to rewrite or summarize any of my documents just like that. Or maybe tell it to start your favorite playlist while working, and many, many more things like that. Now, next we have this cool product called AI Pin, which can do this.
Sorry, this is my wife. I'm gonna have to get this. Hello?
Hey, babe.
Hey, Bethany. How's it going?
Good. Are you at TED?
Yeah, I'm on the red circle right now, actually.
Oh, great. Good luck, and don't forget to mention me.
So this is the first product of Humane AI, a startup launched by ex-Apple engineering duo Imran and his wife, Bethany. Well, the AI Pin will be able to perform many of the tasks a smartphone can do, but with fewer gestures and voice commands required. Activated with a tap, the AI Pin is designed to clip to a breast pocket, which can offer a hefty lot of things. Let's have a look at them. Now, this is a live demo of the device on stage during a TED Talk in April. Now, here it will show that it can also translate your talking into another language.
Invisible devices should feel so natural to use that you almost forget about their existence.
Les appareils invisibles devraient sembler si naturels à utiliser. Vous oubliez presque leur existence.
You'll note that's me and my voice speaking fluent French, using an AI speech model that's part of my own AI.
Also, based on your health report, it will tell if you can eat certain things or not.
Can I eat this?
A milky bar contains cocoa butter. Given your intolerance, you may want to avoid it.
So I can't eat these anymore. I'm gonna eat it anyway.
Enjoy it.
Now, there are more this kind of cool features installed in this device that is actually impressive. I will put the link below so you can watch this whole TED Talk. Now, we have this tool can change the video industry, and you can play with it right now, but before that, let's see some crazy examples. So basically, we will be replacing characters inside of the live action video, and it's a super quick one-click solution, just like in these video examples here. People are really creating some cool, crazy kinds of stuff in a short amount of time. And this one is my favorite, ancient versus future thing. And they are fighting each other to see who will win. And this is all done in something called Wonder Dynamics. You can see some featured templates that you can use right now. So let me show you this example I have here. So yeah, we have this pretty cool scene, which looks very cinematic. After that, you have this option called choose the actor to change your character with these characters right here. Let's select, then click to next, and there you have it. Now remember, if you want to upload your own videos and change your own characters, then you have to pay. But you can play with these demos for free right now. But now this next one is free for all of us. Recently, a new tool called Zeroscope has become available for free on Hugging Face. Unlike ModelScope, Zeroscope doesn't add watermarks to the generated videos. However, it's worth mentioning that the free version of Zeroscope can take a while to generate videos. If you want to speed up the process, you can choose to pay for duplicate space if you want. Okay, let's try it. You can see this will take some time. Finally, this is the video that we got. I mean, we have to wait like 5 minutes to get this. Now, there are some crazy videos generated with Zeroscope that I found which really don't look anything like mine. I mean, look at that, it's so much better in quality. I really have to find out how they did that. I will show you once I know that, so subscribe. Also this one, like this weird underwater creature sort of scenario. The colors and quality of the videos generated by Zeroscope are noticeably better than what we saw with ModelScope. Then next, Google has just integrated AI into Sheets. It's like having ChatGPT in a spreadsheet, and this is how it works, so you can type something like this. Now here's how to activate and use this free feature. First, join Google Labs and click on the link. I will put the link in my description. Click on the third blue button below Google Workspace. Once you are in, open a new Google Sheets. Click on the new icon at the top left and just enter what you want to create. And not only on Google Sheets, it's also added to Google Docs. Let's type, write a cover letter for a computer science position for X company, and there you have it. Same goes for Gmail writing too. If you click, help me write, and just let's say an introduction to someone that I met at the conference, and there you go. Midjourney just dropped a new feature called Panning. So this Midjourney update really lets you extend in any direction you want. You can now pan right, left, up, or down. It's like zooming out, but you only go in one direction. For example, if you click the right button, it will pop open the prompt box where you can change the prompt if you want. There you have it. You got your result. Here's a great example from Nick here. He start with this image, then he pan down again so we get the most of the suit from the image. Then a custom zoom. After the zoom out again, we go pan right, then pan left, and he just goes on until he got the full scenario of it. But now the crazy news about ChatGPT is that OpenAI disabled the Browse with Bing feature in ChatGPT. They have learned that the ChatGPT Browse beta can occasionally display content in ways we don't want. For example, if a user specifically asks for a URL's full text, it might inadvertently fulfill this request. As of July 3, 2023, we've disabled the Browse with Bing beta feature out of an abundance of caution while we fix this in order to do right by content owners. We are working to bring the beta back as quickly as possible and appreciate your understanding. According to a poll, 57% of people have either used or heard of ChatGPT. While 43% haven't, only 46% of people have heard of Bing Chat, and just 45% are familiar with My AI. Only 38% have heard of Google Bard, and 25% have heard of Midjourney. Now this is surprising because I expected more people to know about Midjourney compared to Bard or My AI. Finally, only 23% have heard of Stable Diffusion. However, this research was based on a survey of 2,000 people regarding their usage of AI. They also asked about, will these technologies have a big impact on society? 74% of the people said that AI will have a big impact on society. And that's all for today. If you find this video helpful in any way, please support by liking this video. Subscribe and turn on notifications to get more AI-related videos in your feed. And I will see you in the next one.